In Module 5, we're going to explore the relationship between business and property. Property is a very important asset of business. It can take the form of intellectual property, like your copyrights, patents, trademarks, trade dress. Um, think of the brand name Coca-Cola. That value of the name itself is a huge part of the assets, the value of the Coca-Cola company, which of course affects their stock and things of that nature. It's going to be important to you that people don't use your intellectual property, be it a invention that you have, a music, a literary work, or things of that nature. Another important property in business is dealing with the landlord-tenant relationship. Unless you own your own building, your own office building, you're probably going to be a tenant in a business relationship. So we cover in this module the rules regarding the relationship between landlords and tenants. And the last area that we're going to just touch upon briefly, because it's really an easy question, is internet law. Well, internet law is nothing more than the application of traditional rules of law in the internet, the online relationships. In this discussion, I do have a question for you to answer. And so as you go through your reading and watch the videos, the question that in the discussion is for you to discuss the importance of property, and that would be both intellectual property, real property, um, your other assets, tools of the trade, those types of things, the importance of property to your business.